everyone. So today we will talk about 5 tips and tricks that you can use in your day-to-day PEGA development. So let's get started. So the first trick is when you're not able to find the PZ properties. So let me try to find a PZ property here. No, I don't find anything. So what do? I have to go to the operator image, then preferences, find diagnostic here and then click on enable diagnostic feature checkbox and then do a save. Now when I try again, yes, I got my PZ property. So the next trick is when you have to find quickly the PCINSK of any rule. What do? So normally when you have to find a PCINSK, you go to the actions, then view XML, then try to find the PCINSK here. Yes, so I got it. But what if I have to do it very fast or quickly? Then I can use a shortcut, Shift F8, and yes, I got my PCINSK here in a second. The third trick is when you have to find all the data types in your application or in your framework application and want to add it here. How can I do that? So go to the data types, click on this arrow, show or hide existing type. You can use view all to see all the data types which are available and you can click on them and click on OK and you will find them added in your application. Fourth tip is suppose you have imported the rules from low environment to the high environment, but the high environment is not able to pick up those rules. So what do I do in those situations? For that, what you have to do is you have to go to Configure, System, Release, Upgrade, click on Validate. Use Revalidate and save here and then click on the type of rule that you want to revalidate. Suppose my section rule is not getting picked up. I go to this and then I click on the rule set name. Then if I have some rule set version, I can add that and then give some memo and use list. List will list all the section rules in that rule set version. When you click on run, it will show the status whether it ran good or not. So you're done. Now the fifth tip is suppose you have run a wizard, suppose you have run a connector wizard and after some time you got to know that what you have run is actually not useful and you have to delete the whole rules which got created by the wizard. So when you run a wizard, it creates multiple type of rules, some connector rules, some property rules and etc. etc. So if you have to delete all of them manually, it's a very tedious task. So there is a shortcut. Go to Configure, then Application, Tools, All Wizard. It will list all the wizards that you have ran into your application. So let me click on this and it shows me all the rules that got generated and how much time it took. So when I do undo generation, all of the rules which got created would be deleted. So you can click on delete generated records. Yes, so all the rules which got created by the wizard got deleted in less than few seconds. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Till then, bye-bye.